अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। आज बड़े ही मज़े का व्लॉग है, देखिए ज़रा। सो लुक एट दिस, द गार्डन डजंट लुक एज क्लीन एज वी वुड वांट इट टू बी, सो we'll be cleaning up today. Now stamp on it. Here Shahir is trying to sow some grass seeds, because as you can see there are some patches where the grass hasn't grown properly. And whilst cleaning, that's what we came across. Star of the Week certificate for Shahir. No good. So it's a weekend and we are trying to sow some seeds and do the cleaning at the same time. और जी हमने कहा कि कुछ बीज भी बो दें कि आगे स्प्रिंग आ रहा है, और यहाँ पे मेरा बेटा जो है ना वो बीज बोने की कोशिश कर रहा है, और साइड बाय साइड में थोड़ी बहुत सफाई भी शुरू की। Shahir, why haven't you got your gloves on?
Let's do it. Right. So once, then you go like this. So just goes in all of it. Put a bit more in. Okay.
Do you know what are we growing today?
Right. Okay. Read this. What does this say?
Sow indoors.
What is the color?
Red.
Right. Okay. So which month is this?
Month? November?
No. This is which month is that one?
January, February, March, April.
Yeah. So red. What does that mean? Grow in? Indoors? Indoors. Which month? Which is the red month?
May?
February.
March. February.
Right. Okay. Yeah? Is that right? Okay. So we
Sow indoors हमने February, March, April पे करना है, और फिर plant out हमने में करना है मई में, और फिर sow outdoors हमने अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, February.
So look at the use of space. So this is the roof of our storeroom, and on top we have got garlic growing.
Broad bean.
right. Okay. So you need to put it like this, right? Right. Leave it. Yeah.
Good boy.
Keep putting one in each box. Each.
So a lot of garlic this season. A bewildered blueberry. You'll see when the leaves come and when you actually can see the fruit. I'll show you those pictures too. Sad spinach for now. It doesn't look that healthy, but we've had a very healthy harvest. I think we'll probably take this one out and sow some new seeds in. Another blueberry,
Inside, right?
gooseberries, blueberries.
Broad bean.
I can already see things sprouting.
It doesn't go into the soil. Broad bean. What is the date today?
30th.
30th.
Yes,
30 01.
30.
Okay.
Show me.
Then you put it in.
Oh. And just leave it in.
You just go like this.
Shahir's gonna do it.
Yep.
Good.
That's one done.
No, it's rainwater, Shahir. We've just
Yeah. You need to hold
we
it.
just collected the rainwater And now Shahir is gonna water the plant.
Shahir, hang on.
Not the plant, the seeds.
Hang on.
So I'm just showing you the state now, and then when everything grows. So this is a prune tree. I think it's sprouting. I think it's gonna look good fairly soon. Our strawberries, all a mess. I think there's some kale and spinach here growing. I don't know which plant is this. Anyway, let's move on. I think again this is looking like kale to me.
Mama.
So that's that. And I think this is some kind of a berry where there's no name written. I can't tell you. And what's that? And I have been told that this is goji berries. Right now, can't see even leaves. And I think this is salad growing. I think some more garlic. And I think this is all mint. Garlic, our greenhouse. Some lavender growing here. And a mess. And this is what the winds have done to our garden. But never mind. We'll sort it all out before it's springtime. Parsley, which should be looking pretty, but not right now. Another blueberry bush, and this is pear tree. That seems like a healthy tree to me. I think it's sprouting well. Our covered bed.
Can you see the pipe somewhere?
I can't hear. Here.
Yeah.
So this is a plum tree. And this is another plum tree. I think these trees will do well this season. All trees without leaves.
Yeah, that's too far. You need to be around here. Right? No shade. And then next one in here. Yep. And then next one here. Middle. Yep. And then next one here.
So here Shahir is sowing some pea seeds.
And then next one there. Okay.
So look at the right and good use of the guttering. Wow, Shahir, that looks beautiful. Wow, all the pea seeds have gone in. अच्छा जी, आज का जो व्लॉग हमने बनाया गार्डन में, तो हमें पिछला साल याद आ गया कि जब हमने इतनी अपने गार्डन के साथ मेहनत की, और आप एक एक पिक्चर में देखते जाएंगे कि हमने क्या क्या ग्रो किया, उसका कितना अच्छा रिज़ल्ट था, कितना खूबसूरत माशाल्लाह हमारा गार्डन लग रहा था। ये बैक साइड है और इक्वली जो है ना ये फ्रंट साइड है, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा था। And this is basically some pictures from our garden from last year. Look at what we have grown and look at how beautiful it was looking. These are the chilies, tomatoes and many other things that we grew. अच्छा, जो गार्डनिंग है ना वो इंतहाई खूबसूरत हॉबी है। अगर आप कर सकें, आपका चाहे छोटा भी गार्डन हो ना, तो इससे ज़्यादा रिवार्डिंग कोई बात नहीं है कि आप अपने घर में चीज़ें ग्रो कर रहे हैं और आपके बच्चे, आपकी फैमिली जो है ना वो ऑर्गेनिक फूड खा रहे हैं, और जो आँखों को वो अच्छा लगता है, आपको लगता है कि आपकी एक एक मेहनत का ना हक अदा हो गया। When your family eats organic food grown in your garden, I don't think anything can beat that feeling. It's amazing, it's refreshing. You have a busy week, and in the end, on the weekend, if you spend your day in a garden like this, honestly, you just get refreshed. अच्छा, आज का ये जो है ना, आज की वीडियो शेयर करने का मकसद सिर्फ ये आपको खूबसूरत तस्वीरें दिखाना नहीं था। इसमें आपने देखें सीड लगाने भी सीख लिए, और जो है ना ये कि कितना, मतलब इट्स वन ऑफ द गुड हॉबीज़ दैट यू कैन हैव, ये भी पता चल गया। और अभी एंड में आप देखेंगे कि हमारे लिए इसमें क्या रिवार्ड था। और ये कि अगर आप लोग भी चाहें, आप लोग भी हार्ड वर्क पुट इन करें, तो आप भी ऐसे ही वेजिटेबल्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं। और ये मेरे अपने लिए मोटिवेशन थी कि मैंने इस साल भी इतना ही अच्छा अपने गार्डन को बनाना है ताकि पिछले साल जैसे रिजल्ट्स आएँ। It wasn't a show off video at all. At least you learned how you can involve kids to do some gardening activities. You can teach them how to sow seeds, and looking at these pictures will hopefully motivate you to just arrange your garden, to grow your own vegetables and fruits. And I will show you some clips from last year, and you will realize that what is the other reward that you can have. And leave me comments and any feedback, and let me know if you want any more of similar videos. I plan to share my videos later on during the year when we have just fixed our garden. और जब इसके बाद हम सफाई कर लेंगे और अच्छी सी वेजिटेबल्स हम ग्रो कर लेंगे इस साल भी, तो मैं आपके साथ वो क्लिप्स भी इंशाल्लाह शेयर करूँगी. Right now what you are seeing is cleaning going on in front and back garden, because it's the day when everybody got together to clean and to give our garden a finishing touch, because the community inspection team was coming as we had participated in a garden competition, and you can see the team reviewing our garden. हेलो जी, फिर मैं क्या इतनी मेहनत की थी तो कम से कम गार्डन कंपटीशन ही एंटर हो जाइए. फिर असी एंटर हो गए और देखें जी कि हमारे अच्छा ब्रेक लग गई थी, तो ये जी इंस्पेक्शन टीम आई हुई है हमारे घर. इन्होंने हमारे घर के गार्डन को फ्रंट और बैक और हर कोने से डिटेल में इंस्पेक्ट किया, और जो है ना रिज़ल्ट क्या था वो एक ब्रेक के बाद आपको बताते हैं. सो हियर इज़ द इंस्पेक्शन गोइंग ऑन, and here is the day of the competition. We were invited to this ceremony. We went there and look at what happened there.
Really lovely to see you all here to shine. I know that some of you have said that you came in here some time ago, so you hope you see you wouldn't be sitting here. So I hope you've enjoyed looking around.
आज इस खूबसूरत सेरेमनी के एंड में आई गॉट द सर्टिफिकेट फॉर द बेस्ट एडिबल गार्डन. सो वी won the edible garden award, and I finished my video at this.